In China, advanced artificial intelligence has been applied in the humanoid robot Walker S. Chinese company UB Tech integrated an artificial intelligence system called ErnieBot from Baidu into their humanoid robot Walker S. According to the Chinese robot manufacturer, this will help UB Tech maintain its leading position in the humanoid robot industry amid intensifying competition. UB Tech plans to fully integrate artificial intelligence technologies into its humanoid robots over the next 2 or 3 years. However, such integrations are still in the research and development stage, and it is difficult to guarantee when these products will begin mass production, whether it be this year or the next. Recently, UB Tech released a video demonstrating how Walker S can respond to voice commands, fold clothes, sort items, and answer questions about how to choose clothing. UB Tech plans to begin training its humanoid robots to work on production lines for new energy vehicles this year, with shipments of small batches starting next year. By the end of this year, company will also release the first generation of family member humanoid robots, which will provide friendly communication and emotional support. The recent collaboration between American developer OpenAI, chipmaker NVIDIA, and robot manufacturer Figure AI shows that partnership can provide strong technical support for humanoid robots. Not long ago, California-based company Figure AI released a video demonstrating how OpenAI's artificial intelligence can be applied to humanoid robots, sparking lively discussions. Korean engineers have introduced the latest teleoperated robot that replicates the upper body of a human and is capable of performing precise movements. For example, they demonstrated how the robot peeled vegetables, caught a flying ball, and washed dishes. The robot can also memorize actions and perform them autonomously, with some requiring just one example. While engineers are working on developing autonomous robots, they are still in the early stages of development. Therefore, simultaneous developments are being made in the field of teleoperated robots. Some of these robots have a kinematic structure similar to human arms, meaning they use the same number of arm parts and joints. The size of the robot may be the same as a human or different, but in either case, engineers typically try to maintain proportional construction to ensure natural control. Engineers from Naver Labs have developed the teleoperated robot Ambidex and taught it to learn human actions. The robot is a kinematic copy of the upper body of a human, except for the head, which is replaced by a block of visual sensors. The arms are similar to human arms in design and size, with the only difference being the hand, which can be equipped with various grippers, not just a humanoid hand with 5 fingers. The arms move due to cables inside the body, acting as tendons. A neural network algorithm monitors the state and position of the cables, calculating the dynamics of their movement based on the position of the motors and operator commands, taking into account their elasticity. Engineers demonstrated this by washing dishes and plugging an electric plug into a socket. The robot can also adjust its movements on the fly if it is pushed by a person or another object. In teleoperated mode, the robot, due to the motion control mechanism of the arm segments and feedback, enables precise and rapid movements. For example, engineers showed how an operator can catch a ball, peel vegetables, or navigate a maze blindfolded, relying solely on the resistance of the stand. This is the creation of the well-known Japanese developer of realistic humanoid robots, Hiroshi Ishiguro. The Japanese engineer has created an android with the face of a 10-year-old boy, which convincingly mimics human facial expressions. There are not many engineers and organizations working on creating realistically looking androids and gynoids. Partly, this is due to the fact that realistically reproducing human facial expressions on a robot's face is technically quite challenging, making such robots complex and expensive devices that currently do not find commercial applications. Some robots are globally known, such as the gynoid Sophia. She can engage in conversation, express emotions, tell jokes, and even speak Russian. However, even devices of this level still evoke the uncanny valley effect, so engineers continue to work on creating more advanced humanoid robots. One of the most famous roboticists in this field is Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro from Osaka University, who has been involved in creating several humanoid robots and has even made a twin android. Now, the Japanese engineer has published materials related to his new project, a humanoid robot named Ibuki. This humanoid robot has the face of a 10-year-old boy and is equipped with a pair of arms and a wheeled platform with asymmetrical wheels. Due to them, the robot sways slightly in motion, simulating the movement of the human body when walking. Ibuki's face not only express emotions but also include involuntary movements, adding realism. The robot blinks and moves its head and eyes slightly. Ishiguro himself believes that such developments are important because they open up possibilities for natural nonverbal communication between robots and humans. It is worth noting that some humanoid robots do find commercial applications. For example, the gynoid Aiko Chihira, developed by Toshiba specialists, began performing duties as a consultant in one of the Japanese shopping centers in 2015. Introducing the Fusion Robot Backpack, which will provide its owner with an extra pair of hands. This creation comes from the engineers and designers at the University of Tokyo and Keio University in Japan. They have placed the robot on a backpack-style mount and equipped it with two types of interfaces for interaction with the human wearer and a remote operator. At first glance, this development may seem like a useless toy. The fact is that, in reality, the device's servo motors do not have enough power to perform any useful work from the perspective of an ordinary person. In other words, the robot is not capable of lifting weights for its owner. Nevertheless, developers have every reason to believe that Fusion will be in demand. Manipulators controlled remotely can accurately replicate the movements of one user's arms for another. Moreover, they can be located not only in different rooms, but also on different continents. Thus, doctors, surgeons, musicians, and artists can learn from recognized leaders by mimicking their movements. In fact, there are three main operating modes. The manipulators move freely, under the user's control, or they move the user's arms themselves. In the first option, Fusion does not perform any useful work. Its servo drives are low-powered and clumsy, so it cannot carry heavy bags for a person or give them a head massage on the go. However, the second mode has already found application in virtual reality games. But, in reality, it is just part of the third function. Any person equipped with Fusion can transfer the movements of their arms to another user with the robot backpack. Write in the comments if you would like to try out this unusual robo backpack for yourself. In Italy, a robotic exoskeleton has been created that increases the strength of the wearer by 20 times. This device can rightfully be considered one of the most advanced of all existing mechanisms of this type in the world. The exoskeleton was developed by scientists from the Sant'Anna School of Advanced Studies in Pisa. The project was funded by the Italian Ministry of Defense. The suit can be used both for military purposes and during complex rescue operations. It consists of a torso and attached 2 legs and arms. The suit is capable of replicating the movements of the human operator and increasing their strength by 20 times. It is equipped with special sensors that allow it to recognize human movements. The operator can move the robot forward, backward, sideways, rotate in place, bend, ascend, and descend stairs. The robot's arms can handle loads weighing up to 100 kilograms, and it can hold them for extended periods. This exoskeleton, which seems to have come straight from the screen of science fiction movies, mimics the biomechanics of the controlling human, acting as a kind of artificial muscle. The distinguishing feature of this device, making it unique, is that it has multiple degrees of freedom, allowing its operator to perform various movements. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video impressed you the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.